Looking sharp has never been this easy. This sleek handheld steamer fits right in your palm and powers up in seconds. No ironing board, no fuss. Just fill the tank, press the button, and let the continuous steam melt away wrinkles like magic. It works on all your favorite fabrics, from delicate dresses to cotton shirts and even heavier materials. Need a quick refresh before heading out? This tool is your secret weapon for smooth, crisp clothes anytime. Lightweight, portable, and powerful, it's perfect for both home use and travel. No more waiting for the iron to heat up, no more bulky equipment, just fast, easy results. Toss it in your bag, keep it by your vanity, or pack it for a weekend trip. You know that one bag you always wish you had when packing? This is it. Lightweight, folds flat, but opens up to fit everything. Clothes, shoes, skincare, the works. Water-resistant shell, comfy straps, and a back sleeve that slides over your suitcase handle. No wobble, no hassle. Perfect for weekend trips, gym days, or just-in-case moments. It's the bag that quietly becomes your favorite. Looking to upgrade your kitchen routine without adding bulk or complexity? This multifunctional slicer and grater is the all-in-one solution that transforms food prep from a chore into a breeze. With its ergonomic design, sturdy foldable frame, and strong suction base, it offers hands-free stability that keeps everything secure while you slice, shred, or grate, even with one hand. No more slipping, no more awkward angles, and no more time wasted on cleanup. The set includes 5 interchangeable drum blades, each engineered to deliver precise results for a wide variety of tasks. From ultra-thin cucumber slices and delicate cheese shreds to thick potato cuts and finely grated carrots, you can switch blades in seconds to match your recipe's needs. Whether you're prepping stir-fry veggies, making a fresh salad, or topping pasta with cheese, this tool does it all, faster and cleaner than a knife. What sets this device apart is not just the multi-functionality, but the safety and ease it brings. The food chute is designed to keep your fingers away from the blades, so even kids or less experienced cooks can use it confidently. And when you're done, the parts detach quickly for rinsing, and the entire slicer folds flat for space-saving storage in your drawer or cabinet. Durable, portable, and impressively versatile, this slicer grater is perfect for anyone who loves cooking, but doesn't love the mess or time commitment that usually comes with it. From casual weeknight dinners to meal prep Sundays, it will be the tool you reach for again and again. Ever tried cleaning your keyboard with a tissue? Yeah, doesn't really do the job. This little cylinder might not look like much, but open it up and you've got 20 different tools, each one made to clean the tech you actually use. Keyboards, earbuds, phone ports, laptop vents, camera lenses, even that weird dust in the corner of your screen. There's a keycap puller, precision brushes, soft swabs, a SIM card ejector, and more, all packed into a compact case that fits in your drawer or bag. It's one of those things you don't realize you needed, until your keyboard looks brand new, your AirPods actually work again, and your screen finally feels clean, not just wiped. If you're even slightly into keeping your gear in good shape, this thing pays for itself fast. Clean smarter, not harder. And maybe stop using your hoodie sleeve as a screen cleaner. If your meal prep feels like a chore, this game-changing kitchen tool is here to slice the hassle away. Designed for speed, safety, and precision, it turns a mountain of chopping into minutes of effortless prep. Whether you're dicing onions, cubing mangoes, slicing cucumbers, or shredding carrots, this compact yet powerful gadget handles it all with ease, saving you both time and energy. With 6 interchangeable blades, you can switch between fine dicing, thick slicing, julienne strips, and more, each cut landing neatly into the built-in container below. No more mess on your counter, no more slippery cutting boards. The sturdy lid presses down with even pressure, while the grip-friendly handle keeps your fingers safe and away from sharp edges at all times. Perfect for busy families, meal preppers, or anyone trying to eat healthier without spending hours in the kitchen. Whether you're making vibrant salads, quick stir-fries, or prepping for a dinner party, this tool simplifies every step. And when you're done, just rinse or toss the parts into the dishwasher. Cleanup is a breeze. From prep to plate, it brings both form and function to your cooking routine and makes every cut count. Your cozy space deserves to feel fresh, clean, and truly dust-free. This compact yet powerful device goes beyond surface cleaning by targeting what your eyes can't see: microscopic mites, dust, and allergens hiding deep in your fabrics. With its UV sterilization and strong suction, it doesn't just clean, it purifies. Whether you're working on your mattress, sofa, or carpet, it glides smoothly and quietly, delivering thorough cleaning without the bulky hassle of traditional vacuums. The ergonomic handle and cordless design make it incredibly easy to maneuver, while the transparent dust container gives instant feedback on just how much it's capturing. It's the kind of tool you didn't know you needed until you experience how fresh your home feels afterward. If you've ever wished for an easier, faster way to tackle tough cleaning jobs around the house, this electric scrubbing tool might be exactly what you need. Designed to make your cleaning routine more efficient, this compact yet powerful brush is perfect for everything from scrubbing dirty dishes to polishing sink fixtures, stovetops, tiles, and even bathroom mirrors. With its ergonomic handle and one-touch operation, it fits comfortably in your hand, allowing you to clean longer without fatigue. The motorized head rotates quickly to lift away stubborn grime, dried food, soap scum, and stains. No more endless scrubbing with sponges or manual brushes. It comes with multiple interchangeable heads, so you can switch between soft pads for delicate surfaces and bristles for tougher messes in seconds. Lightweight and cordless, it's ideal for everyday tasks, deep cleaning sessions, or even on-the-go tidying. Whether you're refreshing your kitchen, detailing your bathroom, or giving surfaces a sparkling finish, this tool turns chore time into less of a hassle and a lot more satisfying. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever cleaned without it.